Welcome to this online on-demand tutorial regarding creating independent learning opportunities using PowerPoint. What you're actually looking in front of you is the template, if you've been on any of the other courses, which should have gradually built to this point, is the same kind of template we've used in the past, and along the bottom there are a number of action buttons which we've made in the past, which enables us to go to different locations, and the design template that we've chose consistently throughout this program of training. What is of new interest is that what we've actually done is we've actually created two buttons here, created out of shapes, just general shapes, no pretty pictures, nothing at all. These are again covered in the first tutorials of how to do it, but just as a quick run through, just to put you in the picture, what we've done is we've actually inserted a shape, chose a shape. From that, what we've done then is we've gone to quick styles and chose a colour of some description, something that we like, and we've just removed the fill inside of it to leave as the box but let it be transparent. And then what we've then done is we've edited the text, which then allows us to type inside the box. Once we've done that, we can copy and paste that shape and just edit the text as many times as we like. So effectively that has created a shape similar to this, and that's how we've created the two boxes. What we now want to do is to make these buttons actually do something within our PowerPoint. And as you can see down this left hand side, we have the main jump screen, which is going to allow us to jump to different places. Here is a slide that contains an embedded YouTube clip. Here is a slide that contains a link of interest to a different site, and inside each one is a button that we've created just the same as this, but that will jump us back to the main choice screen. So in other words, we can press that button, jump to that, press that button, jump to that, and at any time when we're on that screen we can jump back again. So what we're going to do first of all is actually create the link to this. So with the corner box highlighted, right click, and sometimes you do get this move up thing there, so just click it again slowly and till we bring this screen up, which allows you then to choose the hyperlink selection. Now what we're going to do that's different, normally we would go to existing files or web pages and current folders and browse pages. What we're going to do now is we're going to actually place it within the document, and as you can see it brings up a list, slide 1, 2, 3 and 4, which corresponds to slides 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. And if we click on that slide, you get a pictorial representation of where you are. This makes life much easier, because the first button that we've got, if we slide it out of the way, is to go to embedding YouTube slides. So we need to choose the slide that has got the YouTube in it that we want to go to, and it's as simple as pressing OK. We're going to do the same operation now on the second side, so highlight the box. As you can see, if you move it slightly it comes back up again. Press it again, don't panic, choose hyperlink. It's remembered what you did last time, so now we want to choose the slide that's actually got the link on that we want to use, and it's as simple again as pressing OK. Now we can test that by running the slideshow from the beginning this time, because we're coming from the first slide, and there are our two buttons. We know that it's got a link on it because it turns from a cursor to a hand, from a cursor to a hand, and when we press that hand it's brought us directly to the screen with the YouTube playing. We can watch the YouTube playing. When we've finished doing what we're doing, we've still retained the hyperlink which takes us to the web, which is designed for searching on a particular topic, and this one is about Ofsted. It matches where the YouTube clip came from, so that's shown the relevance of where we got it and how we got it. And this is the button that we've chose to make that takes us back to our choice. So we can go there and we can come back. Similarly speaking, we can jump to this button, which is going to take us to the Media Content Packager on the Excellence Gateway, which is a new service that is offered. And when we link to that, it's bringing us to the home page of that. It might take a short while. We'll make that bigger. So it's for teaching and learning on the ELSIS site, and there's a whole range of information there at your disposal that you can look at, that you can use as lecturers, but we're just showing that you can get to a link. We close that link down, and lo and behold, the button brings us back. That's as simple as operation as it is. You can have as many of these as you like, and they can go to as many slides as you like. You're just telling it where to go when you want it. So what we're going to do now is finish off this tutorial by showing you how we have made the back button. So here is our back button, and you can see the copy has come up again, but because I've already got a hyperlink on now, I'm going to edit the hyperlink, but I will remove the hyperlink for you so you can see that this is has now got no hyperlink. So this is just like coming to it from the beginning. So I choose my hyperlink, I'm going to place it in this slide, and I want it to go back. So I want it to go back to slide 1, and I press OK. The good thing is I only have to do that once, because if I then copy it, I can paste it into all of these pages, and the hyperlink will always take me back to the beginning. So you only have to make the back button once and just copy and paste it into every slide that you require a back button to be placed. So just to recap, we've created a slide with 2 buttons to go to 2 topics, but it could be 3 topics, it could be 5 topics. The topics are contained on a separate slide that the button jumps to, and contained in that slide is a back button that will allow us to go back to the screen that we wanted to choose. So just a quick refresh. We want to go to the embedding YouTube clips, where we can then watch that. We want to come back. We want to go to the linked site of interest. We want to come back. We want to use any of these buttons that we've made, which takes us to Google, to the NLM materials, to Ofsted information, any other information on, or even the learning portal here, so it very quickly gets me to my information if I need to. It just minimises the amount of time that we take to get to important pieces of information. This pulls together all the other courses, the making the buttons, the embedding different types of video, the creating links to minimising time, so that you can put into your videos, into your clips, into your buttons, all the essential work that you need, so that when you place them in your PowerPoint, it does what you want, when you want it. Thank you very much for looking at this, and please let me know what you think. Thank you.